Hey there, Elliot here. Have you ever been stuck with that frustrating iPhone lock to owner message? You know, the iCloud activation lock that can pop up on your iPhones, iPads, and Apple Watches. It's super annoying, right? Well, today I've got some good news for you. I'm going to show you several totally legal and effective tricks to get rid of this lock from your device. Whether you've bought a second-hand gadget or just forgot your own details, these tips are going to be super handy. So let's get started and unlock your device together. Quick heads up before we continue, I'm here to help those who own their gadgets but forgot their login details. No funny business or illegal stuff here. Let's keep it clean and stick to YouTube's rules. Awesome, let's dive back in. So let's talk about some handy services that can help you with the iCloud activation lock issue. I've come across a few that are pretty reliable and user-friendly. One of them is Unlock Here's AI-powered unlocking web app. It's pretty neat because it uses AI to guide you through the unlocking process. Another one is Safe Unlocks. It's known for its straightforward approach, making it easy to use. Then there's Locked to Owner. This service has helped a lot of people in situations similar to yours. And lastly, the iUnlock app was also worth mentioning. It's gained a good reputation for being effective and reliable. While each of these services has its own set of features, the common goal is to help you get back into your device without too much hassle. Just remember, I'm sharing this to help out. It's always best to choose the one that fits your needs. Up next, we're going to take a closer look at how to use Unlock Here's AI unlocking assistant. Stay tuned for that. It's important to note that these unlock services generally work only in first world countries, but if you're in a region where these services aren't accessible or if you'd rather not use them, we've got an alternative for you. We offer 250 unlocks every week for our video viewers. Here's how you can be a part of this. Simply give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed. In the comment section, type in the model of your device, like iPhone 8, your IMEI number, and the country you're located in. As soon as you complete these steps, you're automatically entered into our weekly draw for a free unlock. Good luck! To unlock your mobile phone using Unlock Here, simply start by opening your browser on either your phone or computer. Head to unlockhere.com, a web app powered by an AI assistant called Nifty, which is designed to help with various mobile phone restrictions. Once on the site, indicate that you need an iCloud unlock by selecting the Activation Lock option. You'll then choose the type of device you're unlocking. It could be an iPhone, iPad, or Apple Watch. The next step is to enter your device's IMEI or serial number. Here's a quick tip. All iPhones have an IMEI number. For iPads and Apple Watches, if they have cellular capabilities, they'll have an IMEI. Otherwise, you'll need to use the serial number. To find this, press the sleep button on your locked device, press it again, and tap on the I on the bottom right corner. This will display your device's information. After getting the device info, don't forget to enter your device details. Then, you'll need to provide some basic personal details to link the unlock request to your account. This information is crucial as you'll receive a confirmation code via email, which you'll need to confirm. After entering your info, agree to the terms, confirming you're not unlocking a stolen device. Before proceeding, complete a quick CAPTCHA by clicking I'm not a robot. Then click Start Process, and you're on your way. Keep an eye on your email inbox for the confirmation code. Sometimes it might end up in the spam or junk folder, so be sure to check there as well. Once you've received the code, input it back on Unlock Here. Shortly after, complete the robot verification step and ensure to tap the button to validate the information. And just like that, the unlocking process begins.
As you can see here, we swipe up to see the iPhone locked to owner page. In this part, it really takes time and patience. We wait for the unlock process to activate the phone. And as you can see, we swipe left and wait for a few minutes to activate your iPhone. Don't worry, it will be worth the wait. You will enjoy your phone once again once it's finally unlocked. So we wait for a few minutes to activate your iPhone. Patience is the key here. And voila! In this part, let's skip all the setup. Don't worry, you can go back to them later on. Make sure to check the terms and conditions and skip the next steps and just set it all up later on. And there you have it. It says, welcome to iPhone. Now go to settings and create your own Apple ID. Tap forget password or don't have Apple ID to create a new one. And here just add your personal details to continue. And here's a shortcut to check your device info, making sure that this is legit. Great, your device is now fully unlocked and ready to use.
Removing the iCloud lock from your device can be done in two main ways. First is contacting Apple support with the original invoice. This is the purchase receipt for your device. It shows where and when you bought it. Contact Apple support. You can do this through their official website or customer service line. Let them know you're dealing with an iCloud activation lock. Show them the invoice as proof of purchase. They might ask for more information to confirm your ownership. follow their steps. Apple support will guide you through the process to unlock your device based on the information you provide. Second is resetting the Apple ID on Apple's website. Go to the official website designed for managing Apple IDs. If you've forgotten your Apple ID or password, follow the prompts to reset it. Verify your identity. This might include answering security questions or receiving a verification code on a trusted device. After resetting, try logging into your device with your new Apple ID and password. These steps offer alternative ways to unlock your device using official channels provided by Apple. Up next, we will explore another method, so stay with us. iCloud Unlock software is another option to help with the iCloud lock issue. But it's worth noting that you'll need a Windows computer to use it, which might not be available to everyone. First off, you'll need to find a trustworthy iCloud Unlock software. There are many available, but it's crucial to choose one that's effective and reliable. However, a significant concern with downloading any software is the risk of malware, so it's essential to be cautious about what you download. Given these risks, it might be a safer option to use an online service like Unlock Here or Safe Unlocks. These services don't require you to download anything onto your computer, thus reducing the risk of encountering malware. They operate entirely through your web browser, making them more accessible and often easier to use. So, if you're considering iCloud Unlock software, remember to be careful about your choice and watch out for malware. Stay tuned as we'll continue exploring more ways to help you unlock your device. If you're in contact with the previous owner of your iPhone and they're willing to help, there's a straightforward way to remove the iCloud lock. This method is effective if the seller is responsive and cooperative. The seller needs to follow these steps. They should visit iCloud.com and log into their account using their iCloud credentials. This account should be the one currently linked to your iPhone. Once logged in, they need to click on Find iPhone. This feature allows them to see all devices associated with their iCloud account. They should locate and select your device from the list. After selecting it, they need to click on Erase. This action will reset the device, removing all data including the iCloud lock. The final step is crucial. They must click on Remove from Account for your device. This ensures that the device is no longer tied to their iCloud account, effectively removing the lock. This method can be really helpful in restoring full functionality to your iPhone, provided the seller is cooperative. That's it for today. Thanks for sticking with us till the end.